Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a manager or user to your Google business profile. Let's get started. To add a manager, start by accessing your business profile. You can simply search for My Business in the search bar. Make sure you're logged in with the account connected to your business. Here, you'll see the profile you manage. Click on View Profile. You can also access this through Google Apps, where you'll find the Google Profile Manager. Click on it, and it will bring you to this page. To add another user or manager to your profile, click on the three dots here. You'll see several options, including notifications, add a new business profile, your business profiles, and more. Go to Business Profile Settings. Then select People and Access. Here, you'll see that you're listed as the owner of the profile. To add a manager, click the Add button, enter the user's email address, and assign them the designated role. Choose the role, such as manager, and click Invite. The user will receive an invitation, and once they accept, they will appear here as a business manager. I hope this helps you when it comes to adding a manager to your Google business listing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.